Hey, what's up? It's Travis Baker aboard the Troy Design Lucasville Honda. Today we're going to learn about jumping on allisports.com. So the first thing you do when you're going, you definitely want to go walk the track, see what kind of jumps are out there. I mean, there's so many different variables to do. I mean, you see how long the takeoff is, see how peaked it is, short it is, see the landing. There's so much to it, so many different ways to jump. First thing to do when you go to jump a jump, definitely want to be straight. You never want to go crooked and jump, especially if it's your first time. You could end up going sideways off it, landing sideways, crashing. So that's nothing that you want to do. Keep your body position in the middle of the bike because you never know what the jump's gonna do, especially if it's your first time. Be confident. If you're not confident, then it's not gonna go well, because then you're either gonna get tensed up, and you never want to get tensed up because that can just throw you on the ground too. Definitely find a tabletop if you're not comfortable jumping. That's how I started. I remember on 60s, scared to death of jumps, but started on tabletops, just kind of got bigger and bigger. Get yourself comfortable for them. The benefits of scrubbing, I mean, you're kind of going faster in the jump, so you have to scrub some speed, and you'll get lower, which you want to keep your wheels on the ground as much as possible. And when you're on the ground, you're making power when you're going. When you're kind of just jumping straight, you're getting more air. You're not keeping that momentum up and not charging a jump as hard. My favorite jump actually to hit on the national circuit is here at Unadilla. Just a cool floater tabletop. You throw good whips. I mean, I don't know if I throw them good, but I know I see other people in pictures throwing them really cool. So yeah, definitely here has one of the coolest jumps to hit. For more videos of the Troy Design Honda team, click here on this box.